Hey guys, what's up? And welcome to the Buva Crew. And today is March 5th. It's freezing cold out, and we're gonna attempt to fish in this creek. And there's all sorts of stuff in here: catfish, bass, sunnies, and we got some bread, and that's what we're gonna try to fish with. I'm not sure how that's gonna go. Okay, here we go.
She brought gloves.
That would be awesome if I would catch a fish. Oh, I'm getting bites. Oh, I had it! Oh, I had a chub on there. See you moving it? See you moving it? There we go. Yeah, I get a dealer. This is a little creek chub. Little dude. And you just slid right down in. Alright, that works. Alright, so I already caught one fish. It was a little creek chub, like 3 inches long. That's about all I expect to catch because it's middle of winter and nothing else is really biting. Unless I'm some master fisherman and I can pull a bass out of here, which I have, but not in the dead of winter. But yeah, all I'm fishing with is bread, so that seems to work any time of the year.
The hook you're using. Oh yeah, see, you're using the smaller size hook.
There you go. Got him. Alright, there's number 2. Oh. There's number 3. That's 3 chub right there. So we're doing pretty good so far. I just looked down and I saw my thingy going. See how this goes down here. It's hitting the bottom there. Yeah. Another one. It's 4th. Surprised we got this many already.
Oh. My bait.
Yeah, took mine too. Alright guys, so we finished up today. And it's getting dark, but we did catch 4 creek chubs, which are like little itty bitty tiny fish, and they're kind of stupid and annoying. But whatever, we caught fish, and that's all I care about because it's the middle of winter, and it's not like I'm a professional fisherman or anything. Neither is he, and he still caught 2. We both caught 2, so it was a good night. Yeah, it was good. So thank you all for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.